Mimang sang Matashi Dilek. My name is Rajat Tamang. I am from Shillong, and till now I have sang 16 different languages, including Tibetan songs. I came to know Dalai Lama from my Tibetan cousins. Yes, I don't speak Tibetan language, and yes, I sang birthday song for Dalai Lama in Tibetan language. The song which I have sang for Dalai Lama's birthday, that song is for all the non-followers of Dalai Lama. I'm not forcing you all, I'm just recommending you. Just have a look once, just go through his speech once. You'll feel relief, relax, and it will bring more love, peace and respect and unity. मन से दुआ करो तो खुदा भी मिल जाता है, तो फिर ये भाषा क्या चीज़ है? We just need to practice. And I would like to thanks to the song, of course, Namsa Marpo. This is the first video which got viral in internet, social media, and thank you to the wording. I don't know, as a blind man can't see but can walk, just like that. I just feel the song, and I think through that video I got the blessing from Dalai Lama, and I'm really blessed.
Simsam chindi la mare nanso chipa yomi kungi kalupia nanso chipa yomi kungi kating samya songe kungi songe Bunge sema shide toso sange kungi kacha shudu bunge mitsi girochi so Yishinobu mai lamai Yishinobu mai pamai Pumindar minam gapatu Kundam yada chokshum shupasho Pumindar minam gapatu Kundam yada chokshum shupasho Sama percaya zaman yang laku song Chakni telmu jani zaman shidi true song Nam sama percaya zaman yang laku song Chakni telmu jani Zaman shidi true song Mungkin indai shinabu Dalai Lama Mungkin indai shinabu Dalai Lama Tumindar minam gapatu 건강야다 적심식발쇼 부모님들 민감가까기 건강야다 적심식발쇼